you have already seen our food packing list, the clothing packing haul, the adventure schooling bag, the other adventure schooling bag, the activity bag, but today we're doing everything else. Hey everyone, while my kids are in the kitchen on the other side of this wall and are making cookies, let's talk about things that I do to pack in. I'm calling it my last minute bag. It's also like my everything I'm packing to prepare for it's a bag I'm packing, and I would pack the same thing if I was staying at a house rental, Vrbo, Airbnb, also if I was staying in a cabin, house sitting, and right now I can't remember the last thing. Like a staycation, anything like that. This is stuff that I would be packing for that. Let's go through a little bit of my thought process real quick, because this tip may help some people. Most people know it, but some people may not know it. I just cleaned this gun yesterday and I got hair on it today. So and I gotta change my battery out. Let's talk about a couple things. What I do is I go on my bathroom first and I say, what toiletries would I need if I was leaving this house right now? What is out right now in here that I need? So things I need out. Deodorant. Did I pack deodorant? Yes. Lotion. Hairbrush. Yes, we specifically have a travel hairbrush. That way when we get back, if the hairbrush gets lost while we're gone, no biggie. Parting comb. We have. Don't need to pack hand soap because it'll be provided, since it's a rental home kind of thing. Or it's not a rental home. It's a house sitting situation. There's plenty of soap there. Toothpaste is already packed. Toothbrushes, I'm going to put a new one in for Matt while I'm gone, and then the one I'm taking with me, if it comes back, it'll go in here. If not, I have some under the sink in here. This has cotton balls, cotton swabs in it, and I have Q-tips with me. So I have all that. And then like my drawer, I have hair ties, and then I have chapstick. So I go through and I'm like, what do I need? What do I use on a regular basis? I am not bringing like bath towels. I am going to bring like splash clothes towels. I'll show you that in a minute. Shampoos, conditioners, face wash. So what I do is sometimes on vacation, I'll actually take what I call a face break. And I will actually not use my face soap for a while and give it a break, and then I'll switch it up because your skin gets used to some things and it stops working as well. So I'm actually not taking the face soap. But like if I needed to though, the face soap, I need that. Razor, I don't need cleaning supplies. That's my cleaning brush. I don't need cleaning supplies. So I have all of that already covered. So then I come out here and I say, okay, now what clothing do I need? What this and that do I need? Do I need stuff for like in the evenings? So let's talk about the things that I am putting in here, other than just like walking around the house and throwing things in. Let's talk about what actually is going in here. Number one is things that you've already seen in the what to buy in advance, the 2023 video. I'm not going to review what is and isn't from that, but you can go back and watch that video for like things you can slowly buy ahead of time to plan for a trip. So the first things you're going to see in here, this is actually our pool bag. You've seen this in a reel on Instagram that we talked about everything we put in here. It's a grab and go bag for whenever we are going swimming, splashing, whatever. So there are 6 pool towels in here, one for each of us and our family. Also in here, there is a Ziploc for sunscreen. There is block sunscreen, face sunscreen, and lip sunscreen for the whole family. The face one we will actually like rub on our faces because we all wash our faces before using it. So it's not a huge deal. If it becomes a big deal, everybody will get their own face one. But the lip one we do like you use your finger, you put the thing on your finger, and then you use your finger to rub it on your lip. Use this clean finger each time you touch it. So that one we are a little more specific about. The Sequoia water shoes are actually not in here. They recently wore them. The towels were put back in here and we washed them. Haven't put the Sequoias back in here yet. I'm fixing to pull these out. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And they will be refilling their Sequoia shoes before this bag gets zipped up and we head out tomorrow. We're leaving tomorrow. I had 4 days to prep and have all the videos up for being gone for a week and a half and this trip and all that. So yay! So there's tons of these clips. These are beach towel clips and they are great for clipping towels onto the back of pool chairs for whenever you are doing water activities or going to a pool or things like that. So I've got plenty of towel clips for that, and then again that sunscreen's down there. I was gonna buy more, but unless we end up going to a pool somewhere, then I really don't need more because we're not gonna be out like for long periods of the day. One of the reasons why we love doing a summer semester of school is we will go out during the cool of the day when it's a little bit more shady and it's cooler during the day. Then during the heat of the day, we come in and do schoolwork. And then we do our fun stuff inside. And then we may go back out at the end of the day when it's cooled off. But It's actually that really weird time in summer right now where it's not really summer, and like you can have a 40-degree morning, you can have a 70-degree morning, you could have 100% humidity, you could have 20% humidity. So we don't know. So we've actually packed for like more of almost like a spring trip for this. It's been so weird. And also the Smoky Mountains are so weird too, because like they could be 40 degrees, 30, 40 degrees in the morning and then like 100 by lunch. It's crazy. So again, I've got these set aside. This case right here is for my GoPro. So this is everything I'm going to need for filming equipment while I am gone. It also includes my phone charger, because the GoPro base that the batteries charge on, it's the same thing that I use for my phone. So I can charge my phone at night and the GoPro batteries that I've used from the day before during the day, or I could possibly do both and just rotate them out during the day. So everything is in there. Normally I would put it in my last minute bag, but this is my last minute bag this time. We're doing things a little bit different this time. I'm going to put those down. I'm probably going to forget the sequin shoes and not mean to. We're doing things a little bit different this time. So in the past, we have done the little travel size bottles of shampoo and conditioner and body wash for everybody. I have 4 teenage girls. I have slightly longer than shoulder length hair, myself as well. So that puts 5 of us with longer than shoulder length hair. It is no longer practical for our family whenever we're not flying. We have not flown anywhere yet, mostly just on road trips or traveled really local. We've not needed to worry about like specific number of ounces for hair products. So recently I was at Sam's, and one of the things I love about shopping at Sam's is if you check yourself out on your phone, sometimes you can get money back like instantly. Like they will instantly do savings on there for specific products. So last week I was going to make a reel about it, and then life got really busy. So the Pantene Pro-Vene, the coconut milk and shea butter shampoo, and the conditioner. And then this is a 3-pack of body wash that it had. It also had a cucumber one and a lavender one. I thought the mango almond butter was going to be the scent for us for like a summer vacation this time. This was $3 instant savings. This was $3 instant savings. This was $3 instant savings. And there's 2 more of these and another 3-pack of these. So we had, and there was something else too on that trip. We had $21 instant savings. So basically like getting paid $21 to check myself out on my phone at Sam's Club. So that's what I love about self-checkout at Sam's. So I kind of feel like that should be a thing everywhere. If I'm checking myself out, I should get a discount because I'm doing it all myself. So that's kind of like how my personal opinion is on that. This is a little wallet thing that we bought. It was beginning of this school year. So beginning of this school year, we did a trip to Ripley's and we surprised my adopted daughter. It was one of her bucket list destinations, top of her list. And when we were there, we found this, and it matches the skirt that I packed for this trip perfectly. So when I was going through and trying to pack like some books and things for myself, for just like for me to be able to do like during the downtime when the kids are in school, or like in the evening, the kids go to bed usually before I do. I wanted to have something to read and things. When I was looking for my reading books, I found this in the drawer where I keep my accessories. And I decided to go ahead and pack it, and then if, you know, we get to have one nice dinner with Matt during this trip, which we're hoping to do, then I can just take what I need in here and take it with me. And it's just like a nice little sea-themed wallet. So these are separate from the other travel packs because I kind of wanted to surprise some of the kids with them. 2 of them already kind of know they exist and that they may be going, but the other 2 don't. But these are the packs that we had actually bought for our Disney cruise when the kids were 12, 10, and 8. And we're going to be 12, 10, and 8 on our next cruise. Then everything changed whenever 2020 attacked. Tell me if you get that reference. But there's cars. I mean, you've seen all these before. Again, they were in the What to Buy Ahead video. But I thought I would surprise the kids with these. And like, it starts thunderstorming randomly. And we end up not being able to do anything outside. I can just pull these out as a rainy day activity. I'm also going to put one of these for each of the kids on their sides of the bed. Each child has like one little special table where we're staying, where they'll get to have like their own little personal items at night. I thought it would give them like their own little tissue packs to use. They're all getting a little older for this, so I want to go ahead and use them. The Ziplocs I'm also taking for like if we want to bag up like cookies when they're left over, or because one of my oldest daughter's favorite thing to do when we go to like a hotel stay or like a house stay when we do vacations is to bake cookies, because we don't always have time to like bake cookies whenever we're at home in between travels. So like we take advantage of baking cookies while we're traveling. So like if we have leftover cookies, or if they have like little craft projects that they make for their friends to bring back from the trip, because sometimes they'll make stuff for like smaller girls than them and give them to them and just kind of like give them little notes to encourage them. And I think it's so sweet they do that. So like having Princess Ziplocs might be a good idea for that as well. This bag right here is also our family over-the-counter medication bag. Anything over-the-counter medication possibly needed is in that bag. So this right here is a refill to a craft that the kids are going to take with them, and something fun that they can do. You've already seen what is in those in another video. I'll link it up here, and I talked about it again during the travel bag. I'll try to link. I really don't have time to put like the links to all the videos and stuff because I'm trying to film, edit, upload all in one day because I'm not going to have access to my uploading software while I'm gone, and I'm going to be gone for like 2 weeks. So I'm trying to get it all done now, and I'm trying to get everything done. Plus I need to pack lunch for Matt while I'm gone. So I don't have time to like make all the lists in the description. I may do that eventually when I get back, but everything's going to be on the summer semester playlist. So if I talk about a video and you don't see it in like a card, you know, up in the sky or in the description below, look on the playlist and see if you see that. This is talked about in the video about the activity bag, and then there's another video called like 20 teen travel activity or something like that. If you type in teen under my page, you'll probably find it. And this right here is one of the Samantha Brown packs. Again, they don't sell the fake leather suitcase stuff anymore, but hi, you can come in. But this was one of the ones that they had, and it's one of the packing cubes one they had, and I love the shape of this one. Is this supposed to be a makeup bag, you think, in your opinion? I know you don't use makeup. Yeah, so, but we use, while you're in here, hold that handle. What we use it for is every time we travel, this becomes our hair bag. So like we have a carabiner clip with hair ties. We have a hairbrush that everybody shares, and there's a parting comb. The teens also still sometimes bring their own hairbrushes, probably. And then these two containers, one of them has bobby pins and one of them has like the teeny tiny plastic hair ties. Oh, sweet. And Matt's doing something for me off camera. I can't zip it back. Look, magically off camera, the bag zips itself. You just caught that? Nice. So yeah, this is what I have so far. I may throw some more things in here as we go, but I don't know. Right now I just need to finish up because this is the last video I'm doing and editing and uploading before I go. So that is it for this video, you guys. The next video you're going to see is going to be the first travel video for this vacation. I don't know how much travel day stuff we're going to do because we have a normal day in the life, and then we're traveling at the end of that day, and we're traveling at night, and then we're going to wake up the next morning at our destination. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, members, for supporting this content, because there is no way I could keep making videos right now except for the support of our members right now. And if you've thought about becoming a member on YouTube, please just click that join button below, and we have some special perks for our members. If you do the $25 a month one, you get a postcard from every single one of our adventures. Even if we do like a staycation like this, we still find a way to send you like a vacation themed postcard, and you'll get one a month. And then there's one that like as minimum of $5 a month, you get special videos just for members. The food one that I talked about, the food packing video, that was just for members because all of our meal planning is now only for members, and at 99 cents a month you will get our full meal plan each week of what we're doing. So like on there this week, what we are going to be eating at a house rental slash home or house sitting place that we're doing for vacation. So just check that out, and like I said, all you gotta do is click the join button below, and it'll give you more information about how membership works and all that. But for everybody who can't, and if you can't do membership, I understand, because like I can't do membership for every single person's channel, because like I'm trying to do what I can to support my family right now, which is why I help make these YouTube videos and do these travel videos. And I also hope that they help you all as well. But for those of you who can't, just watching ads is a huge help. So thank you so much. Thank you right there. Thank you for watching, for liking, positive comments, subscribing, and every little thing you do helps our channel. And we will see you next time.